Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your front bumper. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools and ensuring a safe work environment. You will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers, and a trim removal tool. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Having a clean, organized space will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's carefully remove the old bumper. Begin by opening the hood and locating the fasteners. You'll find around 8 to 10 10mm bolts underneath the bumper, supporting the engine cover. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to rotate and remove push pins from each fender liner. Inside the fender liner, remove a 10mm screw. Finally, remove about 10 push pins and a few Phillips head screws from the top of the bumper. With the old bumper removed, it's time to install your new one. First, transfer any components like fog lights or grills from the old bumper to the new one. Carefully position the new bumper, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the vehicle's mounting points and fender brackets. Gently push the bumper into place, making sure all clips engage. Then, reattach all the 10mm bolts and Phillips head screws you removed earlier. To complete the installation, perform a thorough final check. Ensure the new bumper is perfectly flush with the body and securely fastened at all attachment points. Confirm that all electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights, are properly reconnected and working. Take a moment to clean the new bumper and surrounding areas, removing any fingerprints or debris. This easy method ensures a successful and satisfying bumper replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.